Hello guys, there's a particular trading pattern that works 95% of the time, but it's quite difficult to see. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to trade BYBIT futures trading and how you can make at least $10 every single day using this strategy. It's very simple, but like I said, it's not so easy to see. But once you see it or once you spot it, probably maybe twice a day, you can make $10 every single day. Now, if this video interests you and you actually want to hop on this, pay attention, watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to show you a live demonstration. This is a live trade I just entered, right? And it's a short setup. Now, we want to see a range. We want to see a range when price is trading down. We want to see a range when price is trading down. And we also want to see that there is liquidity taken from sell side and buy side equally. Now, I'm going to head over to trading view, right? So I make a detailed analysis for you. Now, if you're a newbie, you don't know how to use trading view, don't worry. There's a video for that already. I'm going to post it. Also going to be in the description of this video, so you can go watch it and check it out. Now, straight to trading view. Let's head over to trading view now. All right, now, I hope you can see my screen, right? So, looking at this chart, right? Looking at this chart, where do you think price is headed? That's the first question you want to ask. Now, this is how we draw our range, because price was coming down. Price was coming down. The point at which price came down and made a lower high is our range. All right, it's going to be our range. We're going to do this for two different pairs, and I'll show you categorically how it works. Now, it's our range. So from here to this point, it's going to be our range. And when price trades out and comes back into that range, the first area that price broke out from is the direction the market is going to. Right? It's actually the direction. So I just put a box and extend that box. Now, look at this very clearly. Can you see? This is our range. Or let me illustrate this with lines so that it doesn't confuse you, because a lot of newbies might be watching this video as well. All right, I will have that. Also have this guy here. Now, you see how price broke out from this range with a very massive momentum, right? Good. Price broke out, massive momentum. It also broke out from here as well. It's momentum. Now, what looks very interesting here is that the market is trending down. Market is trending down. So if price broke down here first, swept all the sellers that thought price was about to fall, right, and reversed back, it means here is the initial direction price was intending to go to. So we're looking for sales. So what do? We wait for price to come back again to this zone, to this zone right here. Immediately price came here, which was this. You see the way price fell off immediately. Then the price came back here. Price mitigated and not, we just fell off. We fell off from here all the way down. Now I'll show you another example, so you know this is for real. I'm using my phone so that you can use your phone. Okay. This is another word setup, and we're anticipating a move to the downside. Remember, price was already trending down. We must see that price is trending down. So that is the first thing we want to check. Is price trending down? Good. Price is trending down. This low to this high will mark our range, like we have done. Now, price takes out the low first, sweep all the sellers, and it comes back here now to sweep all the buyers. Now, how do you know that buyers and sellers are being swept? You must see high volume from this sell side and this buy side. We must see what high volume from both of them. That will now show us that yes, price has actually what shifted momentum. So let's zoom in and see what it looks like. Told you guys in less than 8 minutes I'm going to show you something magical. All right, look at this. You see, perfect trade setup. Perfect what? Trade setup. Amazing, isn't it? Now, what is going to be our target? Our target most likely is going to be the distance of this pole, because this is looking like a flag. A lot of you that trade flag patterns, this is looking like a flag that is building up. But I'm showing you the move in time so that you can be able to catch a good risk to reward, right? Good. Now, so let's say let's measure here now to know where our target region would be if we break out. If we break out from here, our target is going to be somewhere around here, 0.1973. So let's see what the risk to reward looks like. Let's put our stop above that zone, drag it all the way down, 1 to 4. Meaning if you are risking $10, you're actually going to be getting $40 on this trade. Now, this is how you catch those very massive moves, guys. Now, my mentorship is open. You can send a DM or join the free Telegram group. But the mentorship is actually a paid mentorship where you'll be taught how to read market structure, how to understand what the market is doing at every point in time, how to easily decode what the market makers are currently doing so that you are not buying when you ought to be selling. And using these strategies that I'm about to show you, this is just 1 out of 10 that can teach you how to actually be profitable with good risk management. All right, one love. I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.